I have 5 decluttering tips that you need to know before you start any decluttering project. But who am I? I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama. I am a family organizing expert, and I help families just like you with practical organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials that everyone can follow. So what are these crazy decluttering tips? Let me share them with you. My first tip is to ask questions constantly. Now, what am I talking about with questions? Like, what is this? What is the point of this? Yes, but also things like, when was the last time I used this thing? Because when you ask yourself these questions, your brain is going to stop and think about when the last time it was you actually used that thing, or if you actually need to keep it, or if you even know what the purpose of that item is. Yes, that is true, because sometimes you might not even know what the purpose of an item in your house is. You just have always had it there. So when you stop and ask questions, your brain is able to stop, process, and think of an answer instead of you just going through rote memorization as to this item goes here, this item goes here, I'm just going to move this over here. It is going to help you actually truly declutter your stuff. I have all my decluttering questions down below where you're watching this video. Question number 2, find things that can do multiple things. Yeah, I know. What does this even mean? Okay, let's say that you have something in your kitchen and those things only serve one purpose. So instead of holding on to all of those things that serve that one purpose, you are going to find something that can do all of those things. Most of the time, it's a knife. And yes, no, I'm not kidding. Because those slicers and peelers and all of that fancy stuff can be replaced with a knife. And it's an easy way just to kind of declutter. You can also do this with home decor pieces. So find things that can serve many purposes so that you don't have as much stuff. Number 3, you need a declutter caddy. A declutter caddy is just like a cleaning caddy, except it has all the items that you need in order to declutter your space. Because when you have that caddy with you, you can declutter and go through and get rid of stuff faster because you aren't searching for cleaning supplies, you aren't searching for labels, you aren't searching for bags. Everything is right there. If you want to learn more about my declutter caddy, look right up here. Tip number 4, if you are unsure of an item, create a questionable pile. And that questionable pile should be stored somewhere like a storage area, your garage. And in that questionable pile, you should set a reminder on your phone for 1 month from that date. If you need that item before the 1 month reminder goes off, go grab it. You know where it is. You didn't get rid of it. You just moved it. But if you don't, by the time that reminder goes off, that's going to be your cue to get rid of that item. I find this incredibly helpful for kitchen, home decor, and toys. Clothing, if you are unsure, try the hanger trick. What's a hanger trick? I have more information down below, but it's simply moving your hanger from this way to this way on the rod in your closet. It's a great visual to help you be able to declutter stuff that you can see that you know you don't always use. And tip number 5 is to create a clutter spot in your home. A clutter spot is where you put items that you want to donate, sell, or get rid of. Because you have that designated spot, piles of clutter are not going to pile up throughout your house. They have a designated spot for them to go before they actually leave your house. Because let's be honest, you're not going to the donation center every day. You're not selling those items every single day. Instead, you have one designated spot for those items to go. You know where to put them if you find them throughout your house, which keeps it easy and tidy for you. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.